Welcome to MotorMav. Today we will talk about replacement cost of Toyota Tundra air injection pump. The replacement cost of the air pump in a Toyota Tundra will run you an average of between $1,174 and $1,282. And there's more, like the labor cost and other charges. In this video we will talk about replacement cost with step-by-step replacement process. It's estimated that you will need around $450 to fix a secondary air injection system. This cost is the total of the costs associated with the labor and the parts. The price of new parts is around $250, and the cost of labor is often between $150 and $200. Mechanics of injection, model of the car, replacement or repair. These three factors can affect injecting pump replacement cost. However, replacing cost is high, that's why regular maintenance is required for a longer lifespan of an air injection pump. Let's see how to replace air injection pump step by step. Step 1. Locating the air pump. The air inject pump is located in front of the engine wrap serpentine belt. Step 2. Removing the hose. The next step is hose removal. Any clamps should be unfastened, and the hose will be removed from the pump. Step 3. Removal of electric connections. Take apart the electrical connections and the vacuum lines. If any vacuum lines or electrical connections are attached to the pump, disconnect them as early as possible. Step 4. Installation of new pump. Then replace the smog pump mounting bolts and torque them to a close fit. The next step is to put back all the electric connections and pump hose reinstallation. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.